So there's a very important topic I want to talk to you guys about today. And people really think trading is this big complicated thing. They think that it's just random and they think that it's gambling. And all of that is honestly, it's pretty hysterical when you think about it in this perspective. Understand that trading is a story. Okay? So as you guys can see here, let me go ahead and pull up the NQ chart. So if we start all the way from back here, as you guys can see, the chart dates all the way back to 1999. 1999 is when price action began. Okay? You have to understand that trading has been out for over 2 decades. 2 decades. You think it's random? Check this out. Boom. Key resistance level on the weekly. And then price decided to fall back down. Boom. So look at this. Let me just show you something from example. So this weekly level from literally 2000, March 13th, 2000. Let me go ahead and mark it up. Let's see if there's any resistance that makes sense with it. Boom. What do we see? This zone over here. We do see some price action and some resistance being created near this zone. Boom. Price decided to fall down. This isn't just random candlesticks falling down. These are weekly candlesticks falling off of this key resistance area, and then price decided to finally break above it right here. Okay? That's not random. This is from a key level all the way from March 13th in 2000. Okay? Don't think that the market is just doing random things. The market, all it does is create higher highs and higher lows. Okay? So look, let me go ahead and show you guys something. So the market started here, correct? Boom. So it's going to make a higher high, and then it's going to go ahead and make a higher low. Boom. Make a higher high, and then it'll go ahead and make a higher low. Higher high, and then make a higher low. Higher high, and then make a higher low. Over and over again. That's it until price just climbs into whatever the price action will get to. You know, we never know. Or price could maybe dump all the way back here, which is probable. But even if price dumps all the way back to 1999, we're going to be able to identify certain price action. This is just off the weekly. You know, on the daily, you guys are going to be able to see some key support and resistance levels. Boom, 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 boom. Reacting off of each other over here. Boom, 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 boom. You guys are getting some nice reactions here, getting some nice support created over here. Boom, boom, boom. And then price created support over here again. Boom, boom. You see these candlesticks, 1 candlestick, 2 candlestick wicks. Boom, price bounced, fell down, bounced from it again, and then decided to make a lower low. Okay. And then price decided to just continue to travel down. This is not a coincidence. Trading is not a coincidence. So many people think that trading is a coincidence, and it's really just not. Okay. Nothing on the chart happens for a coincidence. And understand that trading is a story. Okay, this is the story of price action. This is the story of flow. Of, okay, I'm going to go ahead and create a higher high. I'm going to find out a base where I'm going to cap out at. Dump. I'm probably going to dump to a key resistance level. And then resistance is going to turn into support. Go ahead and bounce above that higher high, which created the other time. And it's just going to continue to do that over and over and over and over and over again, inshallah. Let me go ahead and show you guys Bitcoin, for example. Let me go on the weekly. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin started all the way from here. Boom. 2011 around was when Bitcoin came. Okay. Price was near $0 pretty much. Boom, boom. What did price do? Create a higher high. Create a lower low. Create a higher high. Create a higher low. I meant to say higher low for the previous one. Create a higher low. And then went up, created a higher high. Created a higher low. And created a higher high. And created a higher low. That's all it does, guys. Price just bounce, 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 bounce until it breaks the key previous level of all-time highs. So let's say this, for example. This was all-time highs at one point. Price decided to fall down. Boom, boom, boom. And what happened here? Price decided to go ahead and break above the previous all-time highs. Boom, price broke above it. Again, decided to make some new all-time highs. Boom, fell down, all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. What happened over here? Price decided to break this structure again and make some even new all-time highs again. So price is just going to keep chain reacting itself until it gets into a million or a billion or a trillion, honestly. You know, you guys see the amount of price action that's been coming in. You see how dead trading was in like 2018 and stuff like that. And then boom, out of nowhere, literally, like people became millionaires. You know, if you would have just invested some money a while ago, you could really be up a nice hefty bag right now. So when you understand that trading is a story and you're able to identify a low, like let's say this opportunity over here, right? So boom, price decided to create some support over here. We had some price action. Price decided to boom, boom, dump off of this breakout reaction here, create some support, resistance, boom, boom, support, one candlestick, two candlestick, three candlesticks of support. You had 3 weekly candles of support. You could have bought the dip 3 different weeks. Boom, buy the dip, boom. Next thing you know, you could have rode it from 30,000 all the way to almost 70,000. You would have X2'd your money very, 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 very easily, or done whatever percentage you would have done, depending on the amount of leverage that you have. So when you understand that trading is a story and you're able to understand that old price action is reflective of new price action, trading is going to become a lot simpler. Okay? Stop thinking it's this big complicated thing. Stop thinking that the candlesticks are just doing random stuff and just going up and down randomly and you just have to kind of predict. Stop. Because that's way too cringe. And that's not going to get you guys anywhere. I want you guys to be succeeding and I want you guys to be providing for your families, inshallah, if God wills. Okay? Stop with the clown activity. Cut it out. Stop thinking that trading is gambling. It's not. Price action reacts off of old price action, and it does it constantly. As you can see here, boom, on the weekly candlestick, this resistance created right here. Boom. And then what happened over here? Support was created off of it over here. And the price decided to bounce right exactly where this candlestick was. Price bounced again. Boom. You could have took it from 40,000 all the way to, and you would have knew where this take profit was because you could have used this resistance candle here. From this wick, boom, price decided to top out near this zone here. Boom, near this zone. You saw that price knew somewhere your take profit would be near this candle since that's the last dump point. Boom, boom, and you would have been able to catch setups. And depending on the type of setups or trades you like, you guys can either take more precise trades and take more mini setups like that if you have a really good eyeball for reading the candlestick chart. But you guys can pretty much do whatever you want. You could either trade support and resistance or you could trade breakouts, okay, off of support and resistance, okay? So such as like this, for example, as you guys can see, support was created right here. What happened over here? Price decided to go ahead and dump down and create a new area of support right here before price decided to bounce back up. So price created support right here. Price decided to break out down right here. And then boom, we had a nice bounce above right here. So that's it, guys. Don't make it too hard on yourself. Understand that trading is a story. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.